Hello and welcome to our video on how to draft email content through ChatGPT in just 2 minutes. If you're tired of spending hours writing and perfecting your emails, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT's advanced language processing capabilities to quickly draft high-quality email content. Step 1. You need to open your Google Chrome browser and type ChatGPT on the search bar and then click on the search. Step 2. Click on the first given site with the name of Introduction ChatGPT and then click on Try ChatGPT. Step 3. Now you have to sign up if you have not any other account previously. On the other hand, if you made your account before seeing this video, then click on the Login button. Step 4. You need to give commands to your ChatGPT account like draft an email to Professor for PhD, supervision, and then click on the arrow. And here we go. Step 5. If you want to specify it with your field, then you need to write only 2 words. Yes, you are listening right, 2 words. If you are a biotechnology student, and you want to write a mail to biotechnology professor for PhD research position, then after completing this draft, you can add another command for biotechnology, and then click on the arrow. It will create another draft, and that's it. With ChatGPT, drafting high-quality email content has never been easier or more efficient. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.